Oh, this is gonna be fun. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of these magnetic building cubes. Look at their Christmas theme. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. There is 180 of these little magnetic cubes in here. Now, something that you'll notice, you can hear the magnets inside. The magnets turn so that you can put these cubes any way you want. The magnets will never fight against each other because they turn inside there. I thought that was pretty cool. Also comes with a really nice little drawstring storage bag, so you don't have to try to perfectly put it back in this box every time. Let's see if we can build something fun. So I separated out some of the cubes so you can kind of see the designs on all of them. It does not come with any like build instructions, but it does come with this little image here to kind of show you something that you can build. Or of course, use your own imagination and build what you want. And then here's all of the pieces that it comes with and how many of each piece. I'm not that crafty. Let's see if I can make something. Well, I may not be very crafty, but I made that in a matter of seconds. Of course, there's tons of blocks left and lots of other things I could have done. But this is cute. It's super fun. There is a couple little characters in here. I believe there's the antlers. There's a reindeer in here somewhere as well, and a Christmas tree. But there's Santa, and there's a little snowman. There's another little snowman. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be fun and offer a lot of interactive play for your kids, for adults. Doesn't really matter, but this is super cute. I definitely approve of this little magnetic block set.